Sup people, it's John here from JJS Consulting Tech, and I'm here again with another tech nugget. Now this video is for those who have a Samsung phone and accidentally forgot the pin and locked themselves out of the phone. This works with those who have a Samsung account, because I know on other videos they be telling you to completely wipe out the phone. But what if you got like important information, like important documents and photos and movies, and you forgot the backup? You can try this method to see if it works. Again, this only works with those who have a Samsung account and is signed in on the device. So try these steps. So first, go to mobile.samsung.com. I'll have the link in the description. Then hit sign in. Then put in your credentials for the Samsung account. After that, skip all that and say not now. You should be in. And then you should be able to see your phone on the left hand side, or how many of phones you have on this Samsung account. And you'll be able to see unlock right here. And what unlock does after you click it is it unlocks your phone remotely when you forgot your unlock method. This includes like lock pattern, the pin, biometrics, and all of that. And then you'll click unlock. And after you do that, you should be able to get into your phone, hopefully. If that doesn't work, then you gotta wipe out the phone. So let me know in the comment section if this video helped you or not, after you while out on that like button, of course, and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I drop more tech videos later.